Now we are going to build a little application with Streamsheets. I will enter a title, and then I will link the orientation data from the iPhone with some cells. You can see that the cell values change if I move around the iPhone. And I will then apply some formatting options that you know from Microsoft Excel or from Google Spreadsheets. So that's pretty standard for adjusting the row height and changing the font sizes. And of course, the values are still linked to the sensor data of the iPhone. Now I'm creating a circle here and formatting it in red, but I don't want it to be red all the time. So I'm linking the color information of the circle with the value of the orientation of the iPhone. And I do this, of course, 3 times for the 3 axes. So I just have to adjust the formula for each of those circles. And now if I move around the iPhone, you can see that, of course, the formula reacts and we get green or red depending on the value. Now I will import a bitmap in the Streamsheet that I have on my desktop. I simply drag it into the Streamsheet, and as I am rotating this bitmap, I have a value here, and now I'm linking this value to the degree value that we get from the yaw value from the iPhone. And you can see now, since we are linking the formulas, that the bitmap is rotating. You also see that we have a preview feature, so you can see the application without grid lines and headers and stuff like this. Well, that's the end of my presentation. I hope you liked it, and please visit us on our website. See you soon.